Guys, we are at Garage Yoshida today and we are working on a super cool project here. Not just one, several of them, but in this video I'd like to give a quick shout out on the one that I have been the most excited about, and that is this GTR 34. Guys, it's not just simple any regular GTR 34. This one is Bayside Blue GTR 34 original Vspec to newer, and this project has been through so much already over the past several months. 3 months ago, we were here at Garage Yoshida when we brought the car, and now he has completely stripped it, been working on the car, and still has got a lot to do on it. Once everything done on this project, we will be delivering it to Mines to get it built one of one only in the world. Full Mines tuned GTR 34 Bayside Blue V-Spec to newer, which will come of course with a special 2.8 liter Mines super complete engine and everything else that you can think about. In this video, let me guys give you a quick walkthrough of the works done on the car already over the past several months. Yoshida-san in person been investing his time working on it, and he's done such a fabulous job on the car. So using this opportunity, let's check out the car. We will be making another special movie with him as well, showing the details and explaining exactly what he has done on the car so far. That being said, let's actually pull up the car first and start with the underbody of the car. Guys, we got to start this from the underside of the car because it's been completely restored by Yoshida. Of course, one of the signature products Garage Yoshida manufactures is the strut tires for GTR 34s. And when we said, hey, what we gotta do on this one, we requested full package restoration by Yoshida-san. Whatever he has and he can do on the car, get it done. Now, come take a look at it. This is the strut towers manufactured by Yoshida, and it's extremely sturdy and 3 times more sturdy than the original strut towers of the car. One of the weakest points of GTR 34s is of course the strut tower area where over time it gets rusty, but Yoshida-san has been making magical strut towers that are stronger, better, and has a lot more lifespan. And that's exactly why we have this strut towers also installed. And looking at the back, we have a completely restored underbody of the car. Guys, as you can see that, it's been repainted Bayside Blue as well after all the rust fixed and everything. Which looks pretty awesome. Now, it's got a lot more work to do, and this kind of works that I'm telling you about can be seen on this one. Take a look at this. This is one of its kind lighting yellow GTR 34 V-Spec as well. That belongs to us, to our client, which Yoshida-san again on this one is personally working on it. Now, come take a look at the underside of the car. If you guys look on the side of this car, guys, as you can see, it has nothing right now. It's just the shell of the car. In comparison, this one, once the underbody restoration done on it, he has started installing a number of parts on it. And we can get to see from here. Check this out. It's so good that you can lick it. By the way, this car is going to a super special customer. He is from Middle East, and this is gonna be one of its kind GTR 34 as well. And I was just talking to Yoshida, and he said this is going to be probably the best car we have ever worked on so far. Best color as well. As you can see, one of the easier parts of the GTR 34 that I talk in my videos all the time is of course the Schanitz bun, is the exhaust shield heat cover. Over time it gets a little bit rusty. Here at Yoshida, he can restore it. We can put a brand new one, and including with this one, exactly the same panel, this one, as you guys can see that. This one is a little, over time, it's easy to get rusty. Usually they can restore it. Brand new ones are not made by Nissan anymore, so we gotta find one. If you look at the underbody, some work's already been done on it, while the Bayside Blue one, still the work's in progress. So wrapping up the underbody, let's actually put the car down a little bit, and let me show you what we've been doing on the engine side compartment of the car as well. For this, check out the engine room compartment, ladies and gents. How awesome and fresh it looks. We will be installing most of the brand new parts for this car to make it very special. So as the headlights, Series 2 headlights until just recently were still being manufactured by Nissan. They are not made anymore. And Series 1 headlights were discontinued a long time ago. Lucky for us, we got both set, which we'll be using for both of the cars to make them turn really, really special. With this being said, let's talk to the legend himself. He will explain us about this project, what he has done so far, and what's more to come. And of course, as you guys can see that all the parts are actually being restored as well here, and you need to learn more about this project. But hey, more parts of this video will be coming out over time in the future as we work on the car and make it absolutely amazing, one of its kind GTR34 in the world. 先生、お疲れ様でした。It's good to see you.
Yep. Hello, Chacho. Good to see you.
The car has turned out to be very beautiful, don't you think, Abdul?
Yes, there's a lot of improvement. I can see than the stock original Nissan factory. And for example, what we see here, this is painted where we know it wasn't.
Yeah.
So Chacho can elaborate more about all the improvement that we have done on this car.
Guys, over the past 3 months since we came here for the first time with the car has changed a lot. And all thanks to him, Yoshida Sensei. So today he's going to give us a quick overview of exactly what works has done and what's remaining to be done. 先生、ちょっと少し教えてくれますか、何やったのか、このどうなったのか。
そうですね。この車は今、アンダーフロアボディの下回りとエンジンルームの塗装とストラットタワーの交換が完了してて、ボディの外回りはこれからってとこですね。で、エンジンルームに関しても、そうですね。工場の方ではもっとエンジンルームの塗装とかはコストを抑えるために非常に塗装も薄く、この辺りも色はもうほぼかかってないです。そのためにやっぱり錆びやすかったり、見た目もよろしくないので、うちの方では当社ではもうボディの外側と同じようにベイサイドブルーならベイサイドブルーで3コートでクリアまで全部塗って仕上げてます。
すごいです。めっちゃ気になってますよね、前と比べたら。
An amazing project. We can't wait until it's finished.
とか最後の全部保管してますし、ここ見ていただいたらここから水が入って錆びるんですけど、うちの方ではもう変えた状態からシールを全部打って水も入らないようにしてます。でエンジンルームも同じくベイサイドブルーで塗ってるんで、これが本当にリアルなベイサイドブルーになってますね。でこれから外装塗りますんで。
で2、3ヶ月かかりましたよね、今までここに来て。はいはい。
必要とあれば室内も塗ったりしてますね、トランクとかも。ただこの車は全然室内綺麗なんで。
で先生、この車両の件で遮熱板だったら新品にすぐ買うことができます。で、買うことができないとか部品とかもありますっておっしゃってたんですよね。どうなってるんですか。それも少し教えてくれますか。
遮熱板が何箇所かあるんですけど、3、4は触媒の上と燃料タンクとリアエキゾーストで。今新品パーツが出るのはリアエキゾーストのみなんで、ここの2点に関しては錆が少なければブラスティングしてペイントしてつけます。でもあまりに錆がひどければ別のセコンドハンドパーツをリフレッシュしてつけるっていう状態になりますね。
なるほど。It's a beautiful underbody restoration. Abdul, what do you think of that one?
Definitely way better than factory. The rails are straight. That's the main thing. But we'll also look at the jack and points.
Yeah.
The car looks fantastic.
Okay, beautiful. So we have a lot more work to do. So we are looking forward to it. 先生、いつこのプロジェクト終わる予定でしょうか、今の件で。
このプロジェクトは7月中ぐらいですね。
そう、なるほど。だいたい6ヶ月かかってますよね。だったら
そうですね。
はい。